Today I'm going to show you how to create a beautiful look using only 4 products. We're going to start with foundation primer. It's great under any foundation type, but today we're going to use it under CC cream. It'll just help your foundation to look better and stay longer. Then we're going to use a beauty blender and we're going to apply the CC cream. CC stands for color corrector, so this foundation is going to help to neutralize red tones or discoloration. It also has some SPF in there, making it one of my favorite foundations for wearing outdoors or doing anything active. It's super lightweight, super natural, and it even has a moisturizer built in. I love that about this. To finish everything off, I'm going to add a little bit of translucent powder. It is colorless, but I like to call it Photoshop in a jar because it just blurs everything and takes care of any shininess. This works for all skin types and on top of all foundation types. I added some blush and bronzer and called it a day. So easy.